Hello, this math comment. We continue for next lesson. Okay, this one is the lesson today is the polynomials and special product. Okay, but we go for the polynomial first. Okay, the meaning polynomials. Polynomials, this you see if we like in the definition, it's gonna be like this: a subscript n power n plus a subscript n minus 1 x power n minus 1 and so on, okay, until to infinite term, or can say the last term. Right now last term like a constant, so depend the n here, how many, how to say, can start from the, this one start from the low, I mean the high to the low, lowest terms. Okay, the meaning is, just don't be confused about this one. The meaning is just say a naught, a1, a2 and an. This one have to belong to real numbers. Everyone learn real numbers already, right? Real numbers can be what? Rational, irrational. That means can be the integer number, whole number, or counting number, or even what can be the fractions or decimal points, right? And n belong to I plus mean integer, positive integers. So remember positive integers. Positive integer like start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on until plus infinity, right? Integer have three kinds, right? Have 0 also, and then -1, -2, and so on until negative infinity. But this one need to be the positive integers, so we can have only this one. Okay. The meaning is n, the index here have to be positive integers in here. Okay, so that's the definition of polynomial. But then you see example compare with this one, so that explain about on the top the definitions. Like Elena, I give you this one. This one is a polynomial. 5x power 4 minus 7x power 3 plus 3x power 2 and so on, right? So this is already in the order because from the highest, power 4, power 3, power 2, and this one power 1. And 6, actually 6 is what? Have x, right? Power 0, okay? But any x power 0 is equal to 1. Don't forget, everyone still remember any real numbers, right? Like you have even, for example, 1.5 power 0, still 0. Any real numbers, power 0 is always 1. Okay, now that's the meaning is a1 some this one like a coefficients, and this one is a coefficients, or this one called coefficients. This means is the coefficients is the all the numbers which is in front of an unknown, like a variable x. So this one 5 is a coefficient, -7 is a coefficient of x power 3, and +3 here is a coefficient of x squared. Okay, and then x coefficient of x power 1 is a -1 here, -1, and coefficient of the 6 x power 0 is 6. But this one is because x power 0 equal to 1, so sometimes number 6 we call constant. Okay, the constant here like for example, like in this one, if you compare this definition, right? For an, this one, this an is like a number 5 here. Okay, we for that bit, that means this polynomial start the higher degrees of 4, and the coefficient of x power 2 is a -7, and so on. So the last term is a constant, right? Constant. So that means equal to 6 constant. This one. Okay, now we see more example about how we read the degree or kind standard form. See the example here. If I give the question, say give the polynomial, this one equal to 4x squared minus 7x power 6 minus 3 plus 2x. This is a polynomial. Why? Because you see the index here, or the top here index 2, 6, and this one This one have x, right, by x power 0, correct? And this is x power 1. So all this index, right, that the power n on the top, the number index or exponent, is all of them belong to positive integer. So this is a polynomial, okay? But the coefficient doesn't matter because coefficient can be what? Real numbers, right? Can be even decimal point, can be fraction, right? Even can be surd, can be counting number, whole number, okay? So the main thing is see the unknown, the x, the variable x, and you see the index, okay, the power. Okay, in this case, this is a polynomial. Now, if we question one, you like to like the standard form of this polynomial, how to do? You just rearrange, that's all. From the high degree to the lowest degree, or from the low to high. See the degree only. So in this case, take a look how we can like in the standard form. You just rearrange by the power, right? By the index. Which one's the highest index? This one, right? X power 6. So we like this one first. So like negative 7 x power 6. And next one index is what? X power 2. So you like 4x power 2. So become plus, right? Plus 4x power 2. And next one is what? X power 1. Just in order, okay? So plus 2, like down, plus 2. And the last one, 3, here is a negative 3. So in this case, how you answer the degree for this polynomial? You lead the higher degree. So which one is the highest? Just see the index again, come back to the index again. Which one's the highest now? Then now you rearrange already in the standard form. Okay, that's the called standard form. That means you like in the order, the rearrange the order, that's it. But then you want to answer degree. Which one's a degree? The highest degree of the variable is what? This one, correct? So this is a power 6, right? This power 2, power 1, and x power 0. So you answer this one, degree equal to 6. Okay, then you lead the leading coefficients. Leading means to be the head of the group, right? So then once you got the high degree equal to 6, the leading coefficients, you answer by this one. You answer this one because this is a higher degree, so you lead this one. This is a coefficient of the leading coefficients. So you answer this one equal to negative 7. If negative sign, you must carry, okay? If plus doesn't matter, you don't need to write down. Now, next constant, okay? Constant that means you lead any, well, only the numbers, right? Right now it's 3, correct? So then this one, you answer this one, if the constant, you answer negative 3. Okay, so now see next one. For this one, right? So this one's a polynomial, yes. For question B, yes, it's a polynomial. Because you see that the index, this one, right, is n belong to positive integers, okay? And also 4 also, because 4, actually 4, if you like in the degree, they have x power 0, right? But x power 0 equal to 1, so 1 times 4 is equal to 4. But then this case, when x power 0, we don't need to write it down. But you have the, you know, you should understand that they have the x, but x power 0. So now like in the standard form. This one, how to write the standard form. Again, you can write it down from high degree to low or low to high. But in general, with standard form, we always write from the high degree from the definition. So we write the standard form, write the high degree, right, to the low. Get rearrange high degree to low degree. So now from this one, okay, so we can write down this one, rearrange it, right? So high, which one is this one, correct? So we write down negative 8x squared. And this only 2 terms, okay? So just only follow negative plus 4 because it's one's a plus. So plus 4. Okay. So now degree, how you answer degree? Again, see from the higher degree, this is one, right? So you get coefficients. I mean degree, right? So sorry. So this one degree, you just answer 2. Because the degree is right here. So you answer 2, the degree 2. And the leading coefficient is what? You lead this one, right? Because this 2 is a high degree. So you answer this one, leading coefficient equal to -8. Now constant is what? 4 right away. Okay, constant mean this 4 right away. Equal to 4 constant. The mean this one. Okay, this number. Now see, question C a little bit. See, only 9, right? 9 is a constant, right? So if you like in this one 9, actually this one 9 is what? 9x power 0, correct? But because x power 0 equal to 1, so 9 times 1 equal to 9. Okay, so when you write in the standard form, you just can write 9, or you can write it down like this, 9x power 0 is okay. You write in this way. Okay, and the degree is what? Degree is right away. Answer only 1 degree is a higher degree. This means this one. So you answer this 0. Okay, answer 0 there. And leading coefficients is still 9, right? Because 9 is in front of this degree, so 9. And constant still 9. So in this case, for this one can be two things, right? We can answer as a constant also. And you can, the leading coefficient mean this one, right? Everyone, okay? So everyone understand? So then leading coefficient mean this one, right? And at the same time, because this one 9 times x power 0 is equal to 9. So the same thing can be answered as a constant equal to 9 also. Because this one. Okay. So now, see, everyone understand now, you can practice question. But then I want to explain a little bit more about, if I give you this one, for example, an example right down here. If I give you this, maybe write down, say, minus square root 3x plus 3, maybe 8x squared, and minus 4 for something like this. So you think this one is, let's see, 4 power x power 3/4, for example, like this. So this one is this polynomial? A1 answer, is polynomial. This one, no, not the polynomial. Why? You see, it's this term tell you, because this one is the index 3/4, right? Then this one equal to, if this term only, okay, equal to minus 4 power 3/4, right? And then times x power 3/4. You learn exponent already, remember? Okay, then this one is not polynomial because of this term. Because of this term, this one. Because this one have index 3/4 is not integers, not positive integers. But this one okay, this term okay, correct. But this one okay also because to x power 1, but is long at like this term. Okay, so then you answer no. Even you find out one term is not in the condition of definition here, this one, right? If not in this condition, then you say no right away. Okay, maybe I give you a little bit more. See, give you some more example. This is polynomial. Yes or no? No. Again, this one not a polynomial. Why? Again, right? Very easy here, because this one power what? 1/x is not belong to integer, positive integer. -1 become this side, right? So it's wrong here. And also this one also, because this one, if you convert this term, right, become -5 x power -2. Then you see the index. Then you see the index is not plus, not positive integer. So this one wrong right there. But this one, this term okay. But what, as long as you find out one or two term is not in the condition, again you say no. Okay. So then this is a way how to say is this polynomials, and how to write standard form, how to find the degree, how to get the leading coefficients, how to answer the constant term like this. Okay. Okay, so I leave it right here first, and then you can practice questions. Okay, see you next class. Bye bye. Next time, I mean. Bye.